Hello everyone, in this video let us look at the top 10 richest countries in the world. All this data is based on World Population Reviews article Richest Countries in the World. Australia, officially the Commonwealth of Australia, is a sovereign country comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands. It is the largest country by area in Oceania and the world's sixth largest country. It has a high income economy with the world's 10th highest per capita income. Canada is a country in North America. Its 10 provinces and 3 territories extend from the Atlantic to the Pacific and northward into the Arctic Ocean, covering 9.98 million square kilometers, making it the world's second largest country by total area. Its advanced economy is the 9th largest in the world, relying chiefly upon its abundant natural resources and well-developed international trade networks. Italy is a country consisting of a peninsula delimited by the Alps and several islands surrounding it. Today, Italy has one of the most advanced economies in the world in terms of GDP, with the world's 8th largest economy by nominal GDP, 6th largest national wealth, and 3rd largest central bank gold reserve. It ranks very highly in life expectancy, quality of life, healthcare, and education. India is a country in South Asia. It is the second most populous country, the 7th largest country by land area, and the most populous democracy in the world. India's population grew from 361 million in 1951 to 1.2 billion in 2011. During the same time, its nominal per capita income increased from $64 annually to $1,498 and its literacy rate from 16.6% to 74%. France, officially the French Republic, is a transcontinental country spanning Western Europe and several overseas regions and territories. It is a developed country with the world's 6th largest economy by nominal GDP, and in terms of aggregate household wealth, it ranks 4th in the world. It performs well in international rankings of education, healthcare, life expectancy, and human development. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, commonly known as UK, is a country in northwestern Europe. The United Kingdom has the world's 5th largest economy by nominal GDP and the 10th largest by purchasing power parity. It has a high income economy and a very high human development index rating, ranking 13th in the world. The UK became the world's first industrialized country and was the world's foremost power during 19th and 20th centuries. Germany, officially the Federal Republic of Germany, is a country in Central Europe. It is the second most populous country in Europe after Russia. Germany is a great power with a strong economy. It has the largest economy in Europe, the world's 4th largest economy by nominal GDP. As a global leader in several industrial, scientific, and technological sectors, it is both the world's 3rd largest exporter and importer of goods. Japan is an island country in East Asia, located in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. After World War II, Japan experienced record growth in an economic miracle, becoming the 2nd largest economy in the world by 1990. As of 2021, the country's economy is the 3rd largest by nominal GDP. As a global leader in the automotive and electronics industries, Japan has made a significant contributions to science and technology. China, officially the People's Republic of China, is a country in East Asia. It is the world's most populous country with a population of more than 1.4 billion. After economic reforms in 1978 and its entry into the World Trade Organization in 2001, China's economy became the 2nd largest country by nominal GDP in 2010. China is the world's fastest growing major economy, the 2nd wealthiest nation in the world, and the world's largest manufacturer and exporter. The United States of America, commonly known as the United States or America, is a country primarily located in North America. The United States is a highly developed country, accounts for approximately a quarter of global GDP, and is the world's largest by GDP at market exchange rates. By value, the United States is the world's largest importer and 2nd largest exporter of goods. Although its population is only 4.2% of world's total, it holds 30.2% of the total wealth in the world, the largest share held by any country. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.